My code solves this problem in 1.5 seconds, so it's really fast, right?
Are you sure? How do you know? What is fast anyway? Performance models help you understand the relevant bottlenecks. They give you an estimate of the achievable performance. We will show you how to apply the Roofline performance model to loop-based codes. Why is this performance optimization so hard anyway? To understand why getting good performance is so hard, we have to look back into the dawn of computing. All computers are still built following the stored program computer design. This computing machine can be programmed using a generic set of instructions. Multiple strategies are applied to get better performance. You specialize the hardware for a certain code characteristics. You introduce special purpose instructions which use dedicated hardware units. Or recently, people were running out of good ideas, so we replicate building blocks, execution units, cores, sockets, and nodes to get even better performance.
I don't understand all this stuff about low-level performance optimization. You just have to use a modern programming language and everything works. I use C++ with STL and Boost. By using expression templates, I always get the optimal result. The compiler does the rest.
The compiler can neither read your mind, nor can it fix your broken data structures. It will not fix your problems for you. We will show you how to organize your code and data so the compiler understands what you want. What do you do to solve your performance problems?
I use tools. They were designed to do the trick, right?
CPUs are complicated beasts. Without knowing their bottlenecks, you will not understand their performance issues. We will give you an overview of modern CPU architecture and teach you their most relevant bottlenecks. Now you could blame others and say, fix this mess. This is not my problem, but we are all in the same boat to get good performance. Hardware designers, programming language designers, compiler developers, and application developers. So let's help together to get it done.
Learn how to turn numbers into insight. Visit our SC20 tutorial Node Level Performance Engineering.